I just want to talk about this. What I was just telling you. See, once you people have, chosen this optional, anthropology optional, अगर आपने लिया है, so I'm telling you, anthropology optional, if you have taken, it's really important. You will realize that how this optional is very scoring, and definitely it is overlapping. Okay, it is overlapping because of majorly because of social cultural anthropology. Okay, so this is that very important. So when you people are reading about social cultural anthropology, as I have said, that it is just not that you are just talking about culture, society, or civilization. You start questioning, okay, you start understanding society better. Now you will know why do people believe in things? Why do people believe in things that seems irrational to you? Because anthropology would teach you that it is cultural diversity. Then you will see that why in 21st century caste is shaping your opportunities. Why do two communities living side by side, दो communities है वो side by side रह रहे हैं, but they think completely differently. Now these questions can disturb you. This question can excite you. It can also push you to think deeper. So when you are having deeper questions, okay, when you start reading about social cultural anthropology, then you are already stepping into that phase of understanding social cultural part. That is a core branch of anthropology. Now, some aspirants think that, okay, let's just take social cultural anthropology, like, let's take anthropology because we are good in science, and then we'll understand social cultural anthropology. It's about memorization, about tribes or customs and this and that. No, it is wrong. UPSC is now framing very critical questions. Don't go on this, advertisement. हमारे यहाँ से rank 5 आया, हमारे यहाँ से rank 4 आया, हमारे यहाँ से this rank. If you'll see the realities, I even get lot of call from, people around differently that, okay, ma'am, we can tell these toppers that they can interview for you, this and that. I never do. I never post my result. Right? So you people have to understand, even if somebody has top, you need to see that what is going to be your best for you. So बहुत सारे aspirants क्या करते हैं? They take anthropology, sociology, or political science or history because किसी ने उनको कहा. So you need to understand that anthropology, and specifically bio part also or social cultural part also, this field is not about memorizing tribes or custom. It is about decoding human life. It is about decoding human life. Is this clear? It tells you that what looks normal to you is actually socially constructed. You may think that marrying in this manner is right, worshipping God like this, it's right, but it is socially constructed. So when I am referring this socially constructed, you can refer Berger-Lichtman theory. They are arguing the same point that whatsoever you see, it is socially constructed. Okay? So your habit, your beliefs, आपके habits तक, आपके beliefs, even your ideas of right and wrong. ये right है, ये wrong है. These are products of culture. Culture आपको बताते हैं कि क्या सही है, क्या गलत है. For example, Bronislaw Malinowski, जिन्होंने participant observation पे काम किया है, who have given turning point to social sciences by telling how we can do field studies. He lived among Trobriand Islanders and he showed that even magic, वो उनके साथ रहे, and he showed that कि भाई magic में भी कैसे logic है. He showed that magic has logic because it is fulfilling psychological needs. तो हमने कल्चर क्रिएट किया है, हमने सोशल इंस्टीट्यूशंस क्रिएट करा है क्योंकि इंसानों के पास साइकोलॉजिकल नीड्स है. So this is how anthropologists are arguing on the relevance of, how to understand human diversity, how humans are different. So there are different theory you will see, entire anthropological theories, I would say, which you are going to read. The maximum and the longest part. For example, Clifford Geertz. He went further and said culture is like a web of meanings. उन्होंने term use करा thick description. Right? So for him, it's like a web of meanings that humans themselves have spun. Now you need to connect in paper 2 as well. ये जो मैंने भी discussion किया, paper 2 में social cultural anthropology है, except only 2 parts or one topic, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. उसके अलावा सब कुछ it is about social cultural part, social cultural anthropology. Right? Now you need to connect this with India. When you see caste, don't just see hierarchy. It is a system of social organization. Okay? तो जब आप caste को देखते हो आपको समझ में आता है it is a system of social organization. When you see rituals, don't dismiss them. Ask what purpose they serve. जब आप सब देखोगे कि ये rituals है इसका कोई purpose है. ओके तो अब आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप साइंटिफिकली एनालाइज कर रहे हो अपना लिव्ड वर्ल्ड. व्हेन यू सी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, आस्क व्हाट कल्चर वैल्यूज आर क्लैशिंग. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है कहीं दो कम्युनिटीज के बीच में तो इसका मतलब कुछ वैल्यूज है वो क्लैश कर रहे हैं. इज दिस क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? सो व्हेन यू सी social cultural part, when you study about social cultural anthropology, but then you need to study in integrated manner that how humans have evolved. So humans once become biologically unique, they have started creating culture, they have started creating civilization. Now when we are studying about the social institutions, when we are studying about the social culture, what we are doing? We are developing a unique society where we are maintaining social order, where we are helping humanity not to get extinct, because हम ऐसे rules and regulations बनाते हैं जिससे definitely क्या रहेगा कि हम कभी भी extinct नहीं होंगे हमारे और ancestors की तरह. Okay, so this is what I have explained for social cultural anthropology. It is highly very important for all of us, and I've told you that in anthropology optional this is the maximum part. Okay, it is around 60 to 70 part per person. It is there in your anthropology optional. Okay.